people's iPhones are shutting off overnight. So people are missing alarms, missing important calls, and it's happening on iOS 17.0.3. So if you want to learn about how to fix the iPhone shutting off overnight issue, or what is going on, is this something that you should be worried about, please watch the video until the end and watch it and slap the like button. So I've been around on Reddit trying to find an actual solution, and it seems that this is happening to a lot of users currently. It is because of the new update, and it's not just you, it's not just me. It happened once for me as well. I had a notification about it when I woke up, and I actually missed an alert, a day trading alert from TradingView because of that. So for a lot of people, it seems that, and for me in this situation, was actually going to general software update. And because I was missing some software updates, I just said that, typed in my passcode, and then clicked on the option that said update tonight. So it was updating while I was asleep. So I think for most people, it is because of that. So if you want to have that off, you got to go to automatic updates, and you have, it says rapid security responses, system files can be automatically downloaded. You want to turn all of this off. So hopefully that helps. This is the only thing. And the next thing is, whenever the new iOS update comes, update it to the next iOS, but do not click update it overnight. Just update it manually as soon as you learn about it. I'll make sure to create a video as soon as this is out, so make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section below.